Now the trick. Now the trick. If we put the cable like this, there will be a tension, which we done the jumpers. All we need to do, take a screwdriver, put the flex cable, which is where the place we done the jumpers, and we'll try to just bend a little bit. We are not gonna fully bend it. We'll just make a small bend. So basically, that will release the tension. I will show you on the this camera. Okay. Now the cable is like this. I'll put the screwdriver over here and then I'll press it. So basically, I made the cable a little bit bent and it is nothing wrong with this, just to release the tension. It's all here. Okay. Now we need to test it. So let's just put it as it is now. Connect the screen. I will put an isolation tape for now on it, but usually I will cover it by the UV mask. But I'll just for testing now, I'll put I don't want any trouble, so I'll put something like this. That's on the I'll put like an isolation tape over it, and then I will test and see how it goes. Need to connect the charger. Actually, it came on straight away.